We learned some really nice words this week. Let's do a recap. Master Azerbaijani recap introducing Dost for friend, buddy, and ally. Burada for here, in this place. Or BACARIQ for skill, ability, and competence. Or QIRIQ for broken, fractured, and snap. Or İşarə, signal, gestures, sign. Or Bütün for all, whole, and entire. And Yalan for lie and falsehood. Of course, that didn't go by without my dad joke uses. Let's see some of those. My productivity is stuck in QIRIQ mode today. Sugar-free cake? What a yalan. Everyone becomes a Dost when you have chips at your desk. Or, my keys need to stay burada so I won't forget them tomorrow. This is an obvious İşarə that our plan is not working. And that 5-minute task took Bütün day. Quiz time. Which word means fractured? Drop in the comments below if you know the answer. Don't worry about looking for letters that are in Azerbaijani only. Just type in something closest one. And come back with the next set of words next week. Because remember, consistency is the fluency. You also have a couple of more resources. masterazerbaijani.com if you want to learn tips and tricks of learning Azerbaijani, or Master Azerbaijani app to be downloaded and learned in much more systematic and curriculum-based way. Whichever you prefer, I'll be here next week. See you tomorrow. Cheers.